Hello. Something I recently had a customer have an issue with is their vibrations on their phone weren't working, the haptics stuff. And so I initially, after just trying, going in and trying each beat or rhythm of a haptic and getting no response, I thought, well, it must be the Taptic engine went bad inside the phone. But then I researched this more and found there's another setting. And so I checked that, and sure enough, that's what caused it. So what I want to do is show you guys this. Go into your settings app where I am and go to accessibility, touch here. And then you can see down here there's vibration. That's on right now. That's good. That means that vibrations will work. But his was turned off like that. So it wouldn't work, and there was no other indications of this. So that's what it was, and I don't know how it got like that, but it did. So that's where you want to check if your vibrations aren't working. Even if you're going in and you're setting your tones or your rhythm, it won't work. Even if you select each different like tone or rhythm, I'm going to call it that. And so if you select those, it just does nothing. So it's like the Taptic engine is broken inside the phone. But this solved it. I just had to turn that on. So hope this helps someone, and subscribe to this channel if you want more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching today.